How to increase speed for Amazon Prime Video. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we will be guiding you through on how we can increase our speed on Amazon Prime Video. So if you're wondering how we can do it, these are the process you need to follow. So first of all, you can head over and type in Amazon Prime Video in your browser, or you can directly open up the Prime Video app, or you can directly go to the browser. So what you're going to do is go ahead and tap on the very first link that appears on the screen, the one of the Prime Video. Just go ahead and click on it and make sure you're signed in into your account. So after you're signed in and you are trying to stream your movies in a greater speed, what you can do is head over to the Chrome Web Store. The Amazon Prime Video doesn't have a built-in feature, so we're going to add an extension for that. So what you're going to do is type in speed extension for your browser. After that, go ahead and click on the extension speed it up, and you're going to add this extension to your Chrome. You can add it to your Chrome, and after it is added, you're going to go ahead and head back to your Prime Video. And after that, you can enable the extension in the video that you're trying to look on. You're going to go ahead and enable that extension, and your video should be played in increased speed. So this is the method you can apply in order to make your Prime Video speed faster. So follow up the steps. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video. And don't forget to hit the like, subscribe option.